A broken garage door cable is a serious safety hazard, not just a minor issue. It throws off the door's balance and can lead to sudden collapse, track damage, or opener strain. Warning signs include a slanted door, loud noises, limited movement, or a visible loose cable. If you spot these, stop using the door immediately. Using a garage door in this condition is like driving on a flat tire. It might work briefly but causes more damage and risk over time. Broken cables can be caused by age, rust, especially in Panama City, Florida's humid climate, poor maintenance, or incorrect installation. Never attempt to lift or fix a door with a broken cable yourself. The tension in the system makes it extremely dangerous. Instead, contact a garage door repair expert to safely inspect and replace the cables using the right tools and procedures. Professionals will secure the door, release spring tension, install new cables, and ensure the whole system works correctly afterward. Prevent future issues with annual maintenance, especially important in Panama City, Florida's coastal environment. Always seek expert help for safe, reliable operation.